Welcome to Chaco International. I'm Nira Maharajana speaking. This is presentation from IBSP of prelim going to be conducted tomorrow. For next, we'll make a big presentation for 11th examination. Direction of question. In each question, there are 5 sentences or parts of sentence that form a paragraph. Identify sentence or part of the sentence that each are correct in terms of grammar. In question A, option is 1. C and E is correct. Why A is wrong? A, when I return to home. This is 2 is redundant, 2 is not required. The 2 is not required. And everything in B, everything I could get my hand on about get my hands. Here should be hands. That's I'm only simple, others I will not do. A simple presenter because others I will simply go verbal. In the C that same year Israel Jewish agency sent, that is correct. D, a Salah is a sort of recruiter to Minneapolis. That is a sort of recruiter to Minneapolis. A Salah, here one comma is missing. That is one comma. But this other side do audio only. No presentation like this. I'll put only the mouse will move. So option C and D is correct. Question number 2. B is only correct. In A, into should be for in. In A, on economy yes, so once an economy is actually in recession. So into should be used. This in should be replaced by into. B, the authorities can in principle move the economy. That's correct. C, out of slump, assuming hypothetically. C, out of slump. This article missing before the word slump. Article is missing out of slump. Out of the slump. This one article is missing. D, that they know how to buy a temporary stimuli. That they know stimuli should be stimulus. Singular. And E, in the longer term, however, such policies have no effect on the overall behavior of the economy. In the longer run, however, such will have no effect now. It is effect. Here the economy effect. The effect means not different. The effect means I have sufferer. It is not effect. What is the performance of economy effect? No effect. So option is B. Then question number 3. Here option is B and D is correct. A, it is sometimes told that it is democratic. It sometimes said that. And B is correct. Apanis and Greece democratic ideals have been handed to us from that time. Handed to us. Is not feeling handed to us. Handed down to us. Handed down. D is correct. E, Greeks have gave us the word and did not provide us the model. In subject, so hence we replaced by bought. So option is 3, B, D, and correct. The sticker mark is the correct. Duration question here, grammatical correction is there. You have to the bold one you have to correct right or wrong. The cricket council here, cricket council is a common noun, collective noun. So it takes a singular verb. Watch. Then the critic censored a new movie. Censored. Censor means movie means censored. Censure means it is rebuke. So it is censored. Then the movie it is social honors. Omit explanation for missing the meeting was credulous, credible. Credulous, credible. Credulous, credible. Because you continue the sentence, it will be credible the appropriate word. She coughed discreetly to announce her presence. A is the correct discreetly. So option is A, B, B, A. The father is not father. Father, he pushed on himself, not father. Father. Then historic. Historic is more of a historic event. Historic event for the leader in just another day. And one subject that compliment was backhanded. Compliment. It is a compliment. Then regretfully, I have declined your invitation. Regretfully would refer to the subject I. Then it is B, sensuous quality of the paintings. He was beside, not besides himself, and told him what had done. After brushing against stationery, against stationery, not stationary. Truck, stationery one standing. Truck, my car turned throttles and water began to rise above. That is above the danger mark. Above, not over. Above the danger mark. So option is 2. Now the question comes to quantitative. Here, 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. How many ways thrown? 6. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. How many ways? 6 into 6, 36 ways. How many 4 you get? 1, 3 get, 2, 2 get, 3, 1 get. Mind it, 2, 2 cannot repeat second time. Once 2 means here 2. But 2 dice, 2 means you cannot say 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 3, 1. That's a confusing. If you doubt to check it. 2, 2, it means, so it is a single. Not 1, 3, not 3, 1 like this. So option 3 by 36, 1 by 12. Here 1665. Here 1665 divided by 9 by 3 into, you check 4995 the multiplication 3. So 9 will get what is the root over 3? It is 27. So it is answer will automatically come 27. Then here 5 digit number. Here how the even number will form? 2 and 6 only the 2 even number the single digit. So 2, 6 arrange between them and factorial 2 each. Others how many numbers? 1 is out means 1, 3, 3, 6, 5, 3, 6, 4, 6, C, 4, 6, P, 4. So 360H. Total amount of enrollment 360 into 2, 720. 20% formal female student appear this year ND examination. Total student appear 75. How many male? That is 80%, 600 and 500. Here is the only very Bhubaneswar Industrial Estate are 5 garment manufacturer. ये 5% ये produce 500 garments in June 2021. How many garments manufactured in Bhubaneswar? Here the 10%, 20%, 30%, you divide it accordingly. Then you automatically get 5,000. A very simple question, only complicated. You should know what is the pie chart. Here the angle. Here the angle, total angle is 90 degree, 180 degree. So B is 45 degree. A is perpendicular to BC. So that means it is a tangent, tan 45 degree is equal to A P by B, AD by PD, AD by BD. So 87 means BD 7. BD 7 means 87. Here the question. If you know the tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, you can answer it. Answer will be 0. Here 4 quadrant make one circle. That means pi r square by 22 by 7 into 7 is 154 meter square. You have to reach a square it 400 meter square, 400 minus 154 it is 246. Here A, B, C, D, a warehouse for sellers. That is selling rice to at minimum supply price. X is selling, then B is selling more than 30, C is selling more than 20 to B, the X plus 50. So D sold twice to C, X plus 50 into 2. Accordingly, it is total rice sold is 1080. So 1080 means X will be A sold 180 kg, B sold 210 kg, C sold 230 kg, D sold 460 kg at MSP. With this, the presentation is finished. Next presentation will come of IBSPO preliminary exams on 11th and 10th with a very detailed presentation. Thank you. If you like it, subscribe and put a bell icon. Thank you.